Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube app not working on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While trying to watch videos on YouTube app, sometimes the application may act out and not work properly on your iPhone. So in that case, here are some troubleshooting methods you could try out. The first thing to do is to check if you have a good internet connection. Simply go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, or you can try switching between them. Once you find the stable connection, you'll be able to solve your problem right away if the problem was network-based. Even after connecting to a stable internet, if you're not being able to use your YouTube, then the next thing to do is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power switch and slide the power button to the right-hand side at the top. Turn on your iPhone again, and once you turn off and turn on your iPhone, you might be able to fix the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to update your YouTube app. Go and open up App Store and in the search box, type in YouTube. Once you perform your search, see if there's an update button available right next to YouTube or right beneath the YouTube app. If there is, tap on the Update tab and you'll be able to download the latest version of YouTube. Once you have the latest version of YouTube, you will be able to solve your problem. Simply open up your app and search for the video you'd like to watch and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, you can simply press hold to your YouTube app from the app drawer and tap on Remove App. Tap the Delete app in the pop-up and tap on Delete one more time to confirm deleting the YouTube app from your iPhone. Once your application has been deleted, go back to App Store, search for YouTube, and download the application again. Once the installation is completed, tap on Open and go ahead and select a video you'd like to play and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the easiest and the most common steps you could follow whenever you are not being able to use your YouTube application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.